this view doesn't stay the same.
So this is Chronolog, right here at Bluewater Resort. And anyone who comes here can actually add to it over time. All you've got to do is set your phone right here, take a photo, and upload it, and it becomes a part of the timeline.
At Bluewater Resort, this stretch of Skull Creek in the Intracoastal Waterway is always changing, with the tides, the oyster beds, the boats, the marsh, and the seasons. And now, there's a way to capture that change over time. Spinnaker Resorts has partnered with the Chronolog Project, a citizen science tool used to monitor and document the Intracoastal Waterway and Skull Creek over time. Using photos taken by visitors just like you, over time it becomes a living timeline, showing how this place evolves day by day.
Next time you're here, take a photo and be a part of the story.